Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to IQ Range, Human Anatomy, Eyes and Ears. Round 1, Gold Finger. Mission vocabulary. You must scroll with your gold finger, and wherever your finger stops, that is your question. Up first, we have Nicole M. The eyelid.
This is the palpebra.
That is correct. Next up, Michelle. Focal point.
Blind spot. No.
Sorry, that's incorrect.
Oh.
Up next, Lev. Eye socket.
This is the orbit.
That is correct.
Yes.
Next up, Sasha. Straight.
Rectus.
That's correct. Up next, Maxana.
E.
The outer ear flap.
The outer ear flap is called the pinna or auricle.
That's correct. Nicole G. A complex series of channels. Nicole M. Blind spot.
This is the optic disc.
That is correct. Lev.
Okay.
Eardrum.
The tympanic membrane.
That is correct. Sasha. A pathway from middle ear to the nasopharynx.
The eustachian tube.
That's correct. Maxana. The balance between any powers.
Equilibrium?
That's correct. Nicole G. A natural body passage. Round 2, Dr. No. You have 5 seconds to decide if you can answer the question. If no, snap time. The other contestants have the opportunity to snap your question. This question is for Sasha. This secretes oil and mucus to lubricate the eye.
Lacrimal apparatus.
That's incorrect.
Aww.
Snap time!
This is the lacrimal gland.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is conjunctiva.
Oh my God! No!
This question is for Lev.
Ooh.
This is the smallest bone in our body.
Snap time!
Stapes.
That is correct. This question is for Nicole G. These are responsible for black and white vision.
Rods.
Oh, God.
That's correct. This question is for Maxana. These canals are maintaining balance when we are moving.
Okay. The tympanic canals and the vestibular canals.
That's incorrect.
Snap time!
The semicircular canals.
That is correct. This question is for Michelle. Elasticity and convexity allow this to refract the light.
Lens.
That's correct. The next question is for Nicole M. This is a part of the ear that receives vibrations first.
This is the pinna, also known as the auricle. Oracle.
No.
That's incorrect.
Snap time.
Okay, this is the eardrum.
That is correct.
Yes! Woo!
Round 3, for your eyes only. First, we will reveal a question just for you. You have 2 seconds to decide if you can answer the question or if you need help. If you need help, choose your ally. If your ally answers the question correctly, you will split the prize 50-50. And first up in this round, Sasha. A tube passes from the pinna into the temporal bone by this.
My ally is this. Okay, this is the external auditory meatus.
That's correct. Next up, we have Nicole M. Air moves through the eustachian tube by this or this.
By yawning and or swallowing.
That is correct. Next up, we have Mexena. The amount of light passing through the eye depends on the size of this.
Pupil.
That is correct. Next up, we have Michelle. The sensory hair cells and 2 membranes compose this.
My ally is Nicole.
The organ of Corti.
That's correct. Next up, we have Nicole G. The outer layer of palpebra is this.
My ally is Lev.
It's the skin.
That is correct. Lev. The concentration of cones is greatest in this.
Fovea.
That is correct.
Yes!
Round 4, Quantum of Solace. Now you know your opponents, but before the game you have chosen a best buddy, or best buddy. We will reveal 2 questions for your best buddy, but you have to decide which question you leave for him or her. It is up to you to help, or vice versa. Question 1. What part of the ear helps to restore a pressure balance on the tympanic membrane? Question number 2. What is the structure of the eye that intercepts light rays first? Which question do you choose for your best buddy?
So my best buddy is Nicole, and I'll make her choose the first question.
Sorry.
The correct answer is eustachian tube. Now the questions for Nicole. Question number 1. What part of the ear is responsible for static equilibrium? Question number 2. What is the name of the ring that consists of 2 layers of smooth, circular, and radial muscles? Nicole M. Which question do you choose for your best buddy?
I'm going to give her the first one.
So Nicole G. What part of the ear is responsible for static equilibrium?
I think the middle ear.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is vestibule. Nicole G. Question number 1. What is the last part of the ear that receives and absorbs the vibration? Question number 2. What are the color pigments that color vision depends on? Which question do you choose for your best buddy?
The second one.
Okay, the second one is red, blue, and green.
That is correct.
Oh, yeah!
Sasha, here are your 2 questions. Question number 1. What part of the brain receives the input for body balance? Question number 2. What structure is lubricating and moisturizing the surface of the eye? Which question do you choose for your best buddy?
I will choose to Michelle too.
I think it's the lacrimal apparatus.
That is correct. Michelle, here are your 2 questions. Question number 1. What parts of the ear amplify the vibration? Question number 2. What is the gelatin-like substance filling the large posterior chamber? Michelle, which question do you choose for your best buddy?
I'll give Maxena number 2.
Thank you. Okay. That is the vitreous body or humor.
That is correct. Maxana, here are your 2 questions. Question number 1. What part of the brain interprets the vibration as sound? Question number 2. What does to refract light rays mean? Maxana, which question do you choose for your best buddy?
I'll give him question number 2.
It means to bend them.
That is correct. Round 5. Diamonds are forever. We will reveal 3 clues. After that, you will decide how many diamonds to put on the table. Then, we will give you the question. If you decide to put 1 diamond, no harm, no foul. If you decide to put 2 diamonds, if you answer incorrectly, your prize will be divided by 2. If you answer correctly, your prize will be multiplied by 2. If you decide to put 3 diamonds, respectively, if you answer incorrectly, your prize will be divided by 3. But if you answer correctly, your prize will be multiplied by 3. Here are your 3 clues. Here are your 3 clues. Clue number 1. On this picture, I am marked as an odd number, and I am the modification of number 5. Clue number 2. On this picture, I am marked as an even number, and I am responsible for lens accommodation. Clue number 3. On this picture, I am marked as an even number as well, and I produce the aqueous humor. Nicole M., how many diamonds do you want to put on the table?
3.
Michelle, how many diamonds will you put on the table?
3.
Lev, how many diamonds do you decide to put on the table?
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Sasha, how many diamonds do you decide to put on the table?
3.
Moxana, how many diamonds will you put on the table?
2.
Nicole G, how many diamonds will you put on the table?
1.
And we are all set. Are you ready for your question?
Yes.
And here is the question. What is the name of the chamber that the aqueous humor fills in?
No. Done.
You can turn around.
Okay, let's go.
Fine.
We
I
have
can have a
this-
few more minutes to think, just like 1 minute, please. 1 minute, she's like 1 minute.
No, you can't.
You have to do it.
Time's up.
Nicole G, what was your answer?
Interior chamber.
Maxana, what was your answer?
Interior chamber.
Sasha, your
Large
answer?
and interior.
Lev, your answer.
Anterior chamber.
Michelle
Anterior chamber.
and Nicole M.
So everybody.
And the correct answer is anterior chamber.